the JUnit 5 platform architecture in JUnit. Here you can see a JUnit 5 platform architecture. Contrary to the public opinion, JUnit 5 is a platform rather than simple test runner. To understand the need for such platform, it is helpful to take a look at some JUnit history. Early versions of JUnit were not designed with tool integration in mind. Due to wild success of these early versions, however, IDEs and build tools began integrating JUnit into their environments quite soon. However, because JUnit was not designed to be executed from third-party process, integrators sometimes had to rely on dangerous mechanisms such as reflection to make things work. In such integrations were naturally brittle and were very hard to change and maintain because the outside world relied upon and was coupled to JUnit's internals, even private members. In an infamous example for this coupling is the breaking of the integration in widely used IDE when a JUnit 4.x version changed the name of the private field. The situation was only exacerbated by other test libraries and frameworks mimicking JUnit structure to leverage JUnit's IDE integration. Therefore, while planning and designing the new generation of JUnit, and the JUnit team took special care to avoid coupling. As a matter of fact, the team invited representative from their major IDEs and build tools to kick off meeting in October 2015 to discuss a solid foundation for integration architecture. The main goal was to provide a different API for different groups of users, namely an engine service provider interface (SPI), JUnit platform engine for integrators of existing test engines and authors of new test engines, or a launcher API, JUnit platform launcher for IDEs and build tools to provide stable and transparent means of integrating all test engines. An annotated based API, JUnit Jupyter API for test authors, which would be similar in look and feel to JUnit 4x generation, but with the more flexible extension model. The first two are the core component of JUnit 5 platform. And this figure shows the essential parts of the JUnit 5 platform and several engines built upon it. This clear separation of concerns is fundamental to the new architecture and has so far served well to avoid problematic coupling. As a consequence, the JUnit platform has been integrated into all major IDEs and build tools using Launcher API. Similarly, the platform engine SPI has been used to integrate various test engines with the JUnit 5 platform. This allows the test engine authors to concentrate on the test definition and execution concerns and completely disregard the aspects of launching their test cases from IDEs and build tools. A special case is, of course, JUnit's own Jupyter test engine, which uses a new JUnit 5 test model. However, even this built-in engine uses only the public API and has no secret access to other parts of JUnit 5. To show how easy it is for engine authors to integrate tools with the JUnit platform, for example, you will develop a very small test engine from scratch, and we name it as WebSmoke here. Here, test engines WebSmoke, JQ, Wick, and JUnit Jupyter in test engines, and WebSmoke and JQ and JUnit Jupyter are connected to JUnit Platform Engine SPI. SPI JUnit Platform Engine and API JUnit Platform Launcher are in JUnit Platform. API JUnit Platform Launch is connected to JUnit Platform Engine. Tool IDE, build tools are in third-party tooling, and tool IDE and tool build tools are connected to API JUnit Platform Launcher. Now, this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.